You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word in French. Yes, it's exactly the same spelling as in English, casino, but the pronunciation is different in French. So let's break it down. You're in France, you want to go there, you say casino, okay? The S is pronounced like a Z because it's a single S, and that's a pronunciation rule in French. A single S between two vowels is pronounced like a Z. Two S's would be an S. Casino, casino. Okay, so not casino, casino. It's more like the Italian pronunciation, actually. Casino. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.